I'd try something different today and ride with the boat on the roof and see how it went. Come down from Brisbane to Tweed, and it all went pretty well. It was I only sat on about 100 kilometres an hour, but it travelled pretty well. Didn't make too much noise, and you probably wouldn't do it all the time, but for one-off sort of trips and stuff, I think it'll be. It seemed to work just fine. I'll try and take some video of it coming down. It's got a bit of water in it because it's been raining all the way down, so it'll probably just splash a little bit. It won't be full or anything, but it'll probably just splash a bit on me as I bring it down. Cheers. This is the Almac motor trolley that I carry the outboard on in the back of the car. Quite easy to get in and out of the car, except when you let things fall. Just the trolley there, so the top wheels are rolling into the car, and you can flush your motor on it and everything else you need to do from a maintenance aspect of it. This next section of the video really just shows the conditions on the day. It was pretty ordinary all up. It was a bit like this most of the morning, and it sort of fined up as we got closer to about 10:30, 11 o'clock sort of thing, but managed to get a few flathead and at a reasonable sort of a time anyway. Towards the end of the video I show where I've stuck a piece of wood up under the outboard mount to try and lift the outboard a little bit higher, and that's just to give it a little bit less drag and hopefully try and stop some of the throwback of the water back into the boat at high speeds. The interest I was able to do out on the water was I think it was successful, and I'll probably end up doing a more permanent sort of a increase in height there, like put a spacer up under the motor, a proper one. But unfortunately, I think it probably needs to come up a couple of inches at least. But there's probably only about that 1 inch height that's available.